Welcome back. It's now time for your Midday Sports. Racers Track Club and Petersfield coach Michelle Woolry says he has no issues with athletes signing professional contracts as teenagers. Woolry's charge, Alexis James, is the latest to join the professional ranks, as the 19-year-old will be conditioned at the Racers Track Club come next season. James, who won silver in the sprint hurdles at the World Under-20 Championships last year, will also reunite with newly minted World 400-meter champion Antonio Watson.
Track and field have a lifespan, and that's one thing people have to understand. So in terms of your track and field talent, you don't have everlasting track and field talent. In terms of academic ability, you can study at any age. Even at 60, 70, you can go back to school and get a master's or a degree. So doing track and field at a professional level from a younger age is just maximizing your talent, because that talent won't last forever. An average athlete retire mid-30s. Based on later technology now, probably, well, going to the mid-30s. So you at 30, if you ever go professionally, you can still go school. Life is about choices and how you make that choice for yourself.
Now, Jamaican Jordan Johnson scored a century as West Indies under-19s levelled their three-match Youth One International Series at 1-1 following a comprehensive 195-run win over Sri Lanka's under-19s in Game 2 in Dambulla on Wednesday. Johnson struck 12 fours and 3 sixes in a 79-ball top score of 105 as the Windies under-19s batting first posted a 320 for 8 from their 50 overs. Johnson got good support from Joshua Dorn, who made 56, with the pair adding 160 runs for the third wicket. Tariq Edwards was the next best with 53, while another Jamaican, Adrian Weir, made 32. Sineth Jayawardene was a pick of the bowlers for the Sri Lanka's under-19s, taking 4 for 36. In their chase, Sri Lanka were bowled out for 125. Jamaican Deshaun James claimed 3 for 30, while Isay Thorne picked up 3 for 18 for the West Indians. Sri Lanka's under-19s won the opening game of the three-match series by 6 wickets. The third game is set for Thursday. Now, World 200-meter champion Shericka Jackson is hoping to get back to the 400 meters despite her recent championship record performance at half the distance at the just concluded World Athletics Championships in Budapest, Hungary. Speaking at the Zurich Diamond League press conference ahead of her 200-meter race in the Swiss city on Thursday, Jackson said her aim was to break the 21-year-old national record of 49.30 seconds held by Lorraine Fenton.
I wanted to break the Jamaica national record, which is currently 49.3. My personal best is 49.4, which back in 2019. So I wanted to run the 100 and the 400 at the Jamaica Trials, what coach would allow me. But I definitely hope someday coach and I can sit and we go back to the 400, because I definitely want to see how fast I can run now that I'm super faster than before.
Now, Jackson, who currently owns a personal best of 49.47 seconds over the distance, believes she'd now be able to go significantly faster in the event.
Said I was capable of running 47, and definitely I still believe that. And as I said, it's just to trust your body and trust your coach.
Now, JFF General Secretary Dennis Chung says there will be no repeat of the situation which hampered the under-17 reggae girls as their under-20 counterparts prepare for the Pan American Games, which starts in October. Chung says things are already being put in place for the under-20 girls.
The technical committee makes the final decision, but more than likely they're going to ask Bradford. I've already spoken to Wendell Downswell, who's the technical director, and we're actually starting the plans for that already in terms of the under-20. We've been reached out, for example, by a team from overseas who actually wants to play them while we're there. So we're putting the plans together for all of that.
American Games is scheduled for October 20 to November 5 in Santiago de Chile. And that's it for your Midday Sports. Shane?
Thanks, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.